Thanks for joining us for our third video on the Tolomatic sizing software, taking a look at the product selector page. On this page you can select Tolomatic products and product families to evaluate through the sizing software. You'll notice the 5 product families laid out on this page. Selecting the checkbox by the product family name will select all the product sizes in that family for evaluation. Deselecting that box will deselect all sizes. Sizes can be individually selected by clicking on the product codes or numbers below. When running the sizing software, it's important to limit selections to around 5 to 7 sizes or between the product families to evaluate. Selecting more options will require the sizing software to run through all the algorithms and calculations for each of these sizes, screw lead combinations, configurations, and result in an extended sizing process that may time out the software. Another tip when selecting the actuators is to take a look at the product catalog and your application, understand some of the characteristics of the product before going to the sizing step. So for example, if you have a food and beverage application, a washdown application, we'd be looking at the ERD series with the IP69K rating and potentially the stainless housing. And then we could deselect the RSA sizes and looking at the forces for the application, select the correct ERD sizes that we want to consider. This will help speed up the sizing process when we limit the selections to 5 to 7 actuators. Lead screw selection allows you to select different screw technologies to be evaluated through the sizing process. Each actuator size has a variety of screw lead and screw technology options. So knowing upfront which technology you would like to select for your application will potentially speed up the sizing process and allow you to generate results more efficiently. For more information on the trade-offs between these screw technologies, Acme screws, ball screws, and roller screws, feel free to download the Tolomatic white paper and guide on selecting the optimal screw technology. It's available on the Tolomatic website and helps guide users through some of the trade-offs and ideal applications for each of these technologies. So for example, looking at a pressing application where there's a high force in a localized area, after consulting that guide and reviewing the application, we may decide to deselect the ball screw option here and just take a look at roller screw options. When sizing a rodless actuator, an additional box and selection will appear which allows you to define the drive technology for that rodless actuator. Here you'll have selections between evaluating either a belt drive or a screw drive. The final selection you'll see down here is for the GSA actuators. When selecting a GSA actuator, the option to define the plate tilt angle of the guided actuator will be set here. If it's a horizontal application with no tilt or if there's an offset, this will help factor in the loading of the application. With that, after you've selected the product sizes that you wish to consider, click Continue to Next Step and the sizing software will evaluate those sizes, screw lead combinations, along with all the application details you've submitted. In the following video, we'll be covering the motor specification page, where we define either selecting a Tolomatic motor or a third-party motor and some of the features on this page. If you have any additional questions on the Tolomatic sizing process, please feel free to reach out to your Tolomatic application engineering team at the phone number and email shown on the screen.